heavy fog, and pouring rain. Fog and rain. Another car. Look at those headlights. Backing up. No way. Let them pass. Can't back up. Passing here is going to be tight on the bend. Won't work. Oh, he gets it. This is God tier. Didn't hit. Smart. He knows. Just millimeters left. He's moving. Still moving. Creeping forward. Wow. Let's see. Can we make it? No room. Can't pass. Oh man. Right here? So close. They're backing up. Yielding to him. They backed up. If we pass, he gets it. He stopped. They all know. Squeezing past here. Any room. He didn't move. Great teamwork. If we clear this, it's legendary. Beyond legendary. Absolutely insane. Holy crap, they're good. He's moving up. This is God tier. Another epic moment. Pure genius. It's tough. Really tough. Two wheels on the edge. Looks too tight. Moving again. It's on autopilot. Autopilot. It's driving itself. It's going to scrape. Can it pass? It's going to hit. Just driving on autopilot. Wow. Wow. Holy crap. This is... How did it? Unbelievable. Oh my god. This is legendary. No way. Holy shit. It fully calculated the other car yielding. Incredible. Look at this road. Stand up and salute. This is insane. Standing ovation. Salute. Respect. Absolutely insane. Honestly, I'm telling you, a newbie driver could never pass. No way they make it. Through there. Look at the gap. Just inches. Barely. Just thought it would scrape. The tire is on the slope. Seriously, salute. Pure vision fails in fog. You know, it can handle heavy fog. Needs radar. Not just radar. That won't work. Never before. Never. No way. Wow. That pass was pure gold. Seriously, it understood. They yielded, so it waited. That's insane. Wow. It can drive us home. Seriously, unbelievable. This is Tech's true iPhone moment, a total classic. That pass was like Steve Jobs holding the phone and sliding to unlock. Just that moment, absolutely stunning, hands down, incredible. Oh my, just unreal. The gap was so tight, with the guardrail there, tires had to hug it. It sticks out a bit. Tires were right on it, had to. Without the rail, it wouldn't try. The other driver is stunned. Two guys there. What did you say? It's driving.